Ralph here from Woodcademy with a first look at MicroJig's new Dovetail Hardware Kit. Now, back in episode 4 of Woodcademy TV, in our miter gauge upgrade project, I showed you how to attach the auxiliary fence we built using the Dovetail Hardware Kit from MicroJig. Now it's available, and I want to introduce you to it. The kit consists of a set of 1032 hardware that's all designed to work with a 14-degree half-inch dovetail slot, the same as MicroJig's other match-fit products. Now, this particular kit comes with a pair of 1032 by 1.5-inch long track screws, a pair of 1032 by 1-inch long track screws, a pair of 1032 track nuts, a pair of wing knobs in 1032, a pair of round knobs in 1032, a pair of shoulder washers, pretty much standard MicroJig fare, a pair of 1032 by 3/4 screws, and a pair of number 10 flat washers. The hardware kit is designed to work in the same half-inch 14-degree dovetail slot that MicroJig's dovetail clamps work in. And all the pieces fit the exact same slot that the clamp does. And this opens up a world of possibilities for building jigs and fixtures around your shop. As I showed you in the miter gauge episode of Woodcademy TV, the Dovetail hardware is the perfect solution for attaching the shop-built auxiliary fence to your factory miter gauge. The Dovetail Hardware Kit makes even a disposable sacrificial fence simple. A strip of plywood scrap, one dovetail groove, and it attaches to your miter gauge. Whenever needed, the damaged end can be cut off, the sacrificial face slid over, tightened in place, and used again. The Dovetail hardware makes it easy to add stops to almost any shop-built fence. All that's needed is a scrap of wood with a through hole and a shallow counterbore. Using the dovetail nut and a screw means there's no hardware sticking out from the stop. A simple setup that will make your drilling more accurate and consistent. And if you're like me and prefer to have your setups not require tools, then the same piece of scrap can be attached with a simple through hole, one of the dovetail screws, and one of the knobs. A length of hardwood, milled to 90 degrees, or any other angle, can be used to construct corner brackets that are quick and easy to assemble or take apart as needed. I've even been playing with the Dovetail Hardware Kit as a low-profile hold-down system for my CNC. I've really only just begun figuring out all of the ways I can use the match-fit Dovetail Hardware Kit from MicroJig. They're going to get a lot of use in my shop.